Thank you so much, and we'll move on to the next category, that is ethnic round, the first round of Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025.
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮವ್ವನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮವ್ವನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮವ್ವನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮವ್ವನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ, ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಬೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ, ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಬೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಬೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಬಾಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಆಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಬೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಬಾಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ಸುಂದರ ಮೋಹನ ರೂಪ तक जनूदी तजनूदी जनूदी पदरी सदा दिदि तक तक जनूदी तजनूदी जनूदी पदरी सदा दिदि तक तक तलांगु तक तदि तद सरि गारि तद दरि सदि दिदु तक तलांगु तक तदि तद सरि गारि तद दरि दिदि जजुग ततों तगदिं ततदि किडरुं तत करि सनि दकिड तजुं ततों तगदिं ततदि किडरुं तत करि सनि दकिड तजुं ततों तत तजनुदि तदिं तदि तत तजनुदि तजुं तजुं तक तजनुदि तत जनुदि तद तिरना 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 तक तजनुदि तत जनुदि तद तिरना तद तिरना तद तिरना तनददिं ताकिड तजुं तनददिं दिकिड तजुं तनददिं ताकिड तजुं तनदं तनददिं तदजुं तजनु ततों तगदिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता तक तजनुदीं तजनुदीं तन तिरना तनददिं ताकिड तजुं तनददिं तिकिड तजुं तदजुं तजनु ततों तगदिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता तक तजनुदीं तजनुदीं तन तिरना 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 तक तजनुदीं तजनुदीं तन तिरना सुन्दर मोहन रूपं वन्दित मुनिजनानन्दं सुन्दर मोहन रूपं वन्दित मुनिजनानन्दं सन्दरं वल्लीकानं चिन्तये गुरुवरं कन्दं सन्दरं वल्लीकानं चिन्तये गुरुवरं कन्दं तक जनूति तजनूति जनूदि तक जनूदि तजनूदि जनूदि पदरि सदा दिदि तक तक जनूदि तजनूदि जनूदि पदरि सदा दिदि तक तक तलांगु तक तदि तद सरि गारि तद दरि सदि दिदु तक तलांगु तक तदि तद सरि गारि तद दरि दिदि जजुग ततों तगदिं ततदि किडरुं तत करि सनि दकिड तजुं ततों तगदिं ततदि किडरुं तत करि सनि दकिड तजुं ततों तत तजनुदि तदिं तदि तत तजनुदि तजुं तजुं तक तजनुदि तत जनुदि तद तिरना तदजुं तजनु ततों तगदिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता किडगुं तिस्लं ता तक तजनुदि तत जनुदि
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the lady who has done magic on all these girls that they are looking so beautiful today, Aisha's Makeover and Academy. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone, to Aisha. Thank you so much, Aisha, for this wonderful makeover. It was really nice. Thank you so much. Once again, one last applause to Aisha, and thank you so much, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this privilege to welcome Miss Niriksha on the stage, who is Miss Karnataka Runner-Up 2024 and has won the subtitle Miss Talented, and she has choreographed and judged various fashion events. With a big round of applause, I request Niriksha to kindly come on the stage.
Girl, I like the way you move. Come and show me what you do. You can tell me that you want me, 'cause you got nothing to lose. I can't wait no more. I can't wait no more.
She a go love on me, I set it. 'Cause you know say me no bet it. Me a tell her not to bet it. Anytime when we get it, it's gonna be alright. You're taking
yet another jury, Miss Kirtana, to kindly come on the stage. So
And got me crazy, got me hypnotized. I need your love, I need you closer. Keep me begging, keep me hoping that the night don't stop.
That body cover, don't stop
Bailando, 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 bailando. Tu cuerpo y el mío llenando el vacío, subiendo y bajando.
thank you so much.
Hello everyone. So good to stand here and see so many crowd watching this. Feels so good, and yeah, we have a beautiful contestants over here from the Fashion Management. So I wish them all the very best, and they are doing too good, and they're looking so beautiful. So yeah, all the best.
Good evening, everyone. So, all the best to all the contestants present here. You're looking really beautiful. We have seen you from the day one of the grooming, and seeing you right now on the stage, I feel so good. So, all the best. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Both of you can kindly take your seats in the front. All right, thank you so much. That was the first ethnic round, and we'll now announce the result, the most awaited moment for all the ones who have been waiting for the dance competition results. It's finally time to announce the results. Well, thank you so much. So before we announce the result, I think we would like to hear from all the wonderful judges, their experience. How was it sitting there and judging all the wonderful contestants? First of all, let me start from Mrs. Gauri Suhas Rao, ma'am. Over to you.
I had an amazing time judging, and the competition was actually very difficult because all the children are so talented and very confident while they perform on stage. So, hoping for the best to win. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gauri ma'am panlakane bari shokada competition. Starting onji 18 entries ittinde, but time poilakane aitha double and so we are very happy to see so many children come up and execute their talent here. Congratulations jokle ide batadu eat malla crowd edur perform malpunane in itself is a win-win situation for you.
First of all, ಶುಭಕಿರಣ್ ಮಣಿ ಅರೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪನೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ದಯಪಂಡ ಇಂಚಿಂದ ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಲ್ತದೇರು ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅತ್ತು ಎನಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಮೇ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ ವಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
And it's now time to know that one person who is going to lift that trophy out here of Astra Group presents Finest Dancing Feat Season 5 organized by Sizzling Guys Dance Troupe Mangalore. And let me start from the second runner-up of the dance competition. Third prize has been backed by, that the second runner-up is none other than contestant number 2727, Satvik. Let's give a big round of applause to Satvik, everyone. And there is one more surprise. There's one more person who is going to get third prize, and the second runner-up, once again, is none other than contestant number 26, Purnita, with a big round of applause. Let's congratulate Purnita. Yes, let's give a round of applause and a very congratulations to the second runner-up. We'll now move on to the first runner-up, that is the second prize of Finest Dancing Feat Season 5, powered by Astra Group and organized by Sizzling Guys Dance Troupe. And the second prize has been backed by none other than, please put your hands together for contestant number 31, Pragati. Ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited event this was, that is Finest Dancing Feat Season 5. And now I'm going to announce the winner of Finest Dancing Feat Season 5. And the prize has been backed by, can everyone say number 18? With a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, it's contestant number 18, Shrestha. A very congratulations to you, Shrestha. God bless, and let's give a big round of applause to Shrestha, everyone.
Do the Ronaldo. I got the power. Me I know the butter. I know the footballer. But I sabi do the Ronaldo. Take it.
All right, so now we are going to proceed towards the results of Missy contestants of Astra Group presents Missy Teen Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025, under which we are now going to announce the results of Missy category. And finally, it's time to give away the subtitles. And after the subtitles, we are going to announce the winners. And the Missy Beautiful Smile subtitle is been backed by Sinchana. Let's give a big round of applause to Sinchana. Thank you so much and congratulations, Sinchana. Missy Photogenic, and the title is been backed by Sinil. Let's give a big round of applause to Sinil. Missy Photogenic.
Just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see you're my delight, lady? I just feel like I won't get you out of.
The next subtitle is Missy Prettiest Hair, and the award has been backed by Ashil.
Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see?
The next subtitle is for the Missy Best Dressed Award, and the Missy Best Dressed Award has been backed by Sanvi.
Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance by the moon. Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling.
The next subtitle is Missy Multimedia, and this award has been backed by Dia.
Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance by the moon. Hear me tonight.
The next subtitle is Missy Confident, and the Missy Confident subtitle has been backed by Sanvita.
Girl, I got you so and I know you like. So come on, push it on me if it feels alright. Put it up in low and bring it up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind.
The next subtitle is for Missy Perfect 10 Diva, and this subtitle has been backed by Prashasti. Let's give a big round of applause to Prashasti.
She combine it, this up our private world. Hands up high, we burning up the sky. We got the dance all crazy, got the club on fire. I like the way you dance. You got
The next subtitle is for Missy All-Rounder, and this subtitle has been backed by Kushi. Very congratulations and thank you so much, Kushi. The next subtitle is for Missy Fabulous. The next subtitle is for Missy Fabulous, and the award has been backed by Charvi. Very congratulations to you, Charvi.
इससे ज़्यादा तुझे और चाहूँ तो क्या, तेरे ही ख्यालों में डूबा.
The next subtitle is for Missy Charm, and the award has been backed by Anvi.
तू है अब जो बाहों करार है, रब का शुक्राना. सांसों में है नशा, खुमार है, रब का शुक्राना.
The next subtitle is for Missy Talented, and this subtitle has been backed by Rahini.
कभी तू मिले मुझसे कहे कि मैं हूँ बस तेरा, तू ही मेरा मेरा मेरा, तू ही मेरा मेरा मेरा, तू ही मेरा मेरा.
Well, thank you so much. Missy Cute Kid award has been backed by Samriti.
शामों सुबह इससे ज़्यादा तुझे चाहूँ तो क्या, तेरे ही ख्यालों में डूबा रहा. इससे ज़्यादा तुझे और चाह.
The next subtitle is Missy Best Ramp Walk Award. And the award has been backed by Nishta.
रब का शुक्राना शुक्राना
फिर कहाँ जरा सा हो गया रास्ता
Finally, the moment has come that we all were eagerly waiting for, is to know who is that one little diva who is going to own the wonderful crown here of Astra Group presents Missy Teen Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025. Let's start from the second runner-up, and the second runner-up is contestant number 2, Charvi. Let's give a big round of applause to Charvi, everyone. The second runner-up of Missy Teen Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025.
Can't you see you're my delight, lady? I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel
Ladies and gentlemen, she is the second runner of Astra Group presents Missy Teen Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025. Let's give a big round of applause to her. Big round of applause to Charvi.
lady, hear me tonight.
Itena claps kutta daklena josh itena.
So right.
Come on yaar, let's encourage them with a round of applause. Thank you so much.
Can't you see
All right.
you're my
And now let's announce this was the second prize winner. Now I'm going to announce the third prize winner, but surprisingly, in third prize, that is under second runner-up, we have 2 winners. I would now like to call upon the third prize winner, none other than contestant number 3 to 32, with a big round of applause. It's Sinel.
I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Let's give a big round of applause to the third prize winner, ladies and gentlemen, Sinel. Congratulations to you, Sinel. Another contestant who has backed third prize is none other than contestant number 3 to 32. It is Nishta. Let's give a big round of applause to Nishta, everyone.
Lady, hear
All
me
right.
tonight.
I'm sorry, it was not contestant number 32, it was contestant number 13. There is no 32 contestant, it was something else that I read. Anyways, contestant number 13, Sinel, backed third prize. Contestant number 8, Nishta has backed third prize. And contestant number 2 is been backed by Charvi. Let's congratulate them with a big round of applause, everyone.
Ya no me importa nada, ni el día ni la hora.
Astra Group presents Missy Teen Miss Mangalore Showstopping 2025. The winner of this event, the one little diva who is now going to own the crown is... Panpuchi. Please make some noise. Yauji. I think she deserves even better applauses. Kudara, come on, make some noise. Some more noise. Some more noise. And some more noise and welcome. And let's all congratulate contestant number 12, Sinchana.
Esta historia a su salud bebiendo, mientras me quede aliento.
Missy Mangalore Showstopping 2025 winner, Sinchana, with a a big round of applause and let's all congratulate her, ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause yet again.
Bebe conmigo, si tú me llamas te juro que para allá voy yo. Quiero verte ya no aguanto más. Quiero darte calor, solo una vez más. Ya no aguanto más, quiero verte ya.
Yo no te miento, todavía te espero. Sabes bien que te quiero, no sé vivir sin ti. No, yo no te vi la hora. Y si lo he perdido todo, me has dejado en las sombras, en las sombras. Te juro que te pienso, hago el mejor intento. El tiempo pasa lento y yo me voy.
Well, thank you so much and a very, very, very congratulations to all the winners of Astra Group presents Missy Mangalore Showstopping 2025. There is a surprise. There is something amazing coming up. There is one celebrity host coming up on the stage. Ekar dinchi, kander dinchi, enan tudu niklek saakadipu. Ancha dupunaga niklek chur changes korkapandu. We are now calling a celebrity host. I'm sure Arnapudar Deppodu Panditji. But still I would like to give you all a small introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, the one who has hosted international and national shows. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the celebrity host himself, Mr. Anurag Bangera, with a big round of applause. Here we go.
All right. Firstly, can we have a round of applause for Pallavi for being so amazing? Every year, Shubhakiran Manida Panpe, class at Onyon Posa MC create Maltondularan. Analeng Kushi, last on your Radganta and MC Manperdikun. But Kudora Jor the 30 board. Let's have a big round of applause. This deserves a lot of energy to do so much of work here on stage. So, Pallavi, thank you. And a big round of applause to 16 Guys Dance Studio. Can we see everybody's right hand up? Mathanal right hand mittupoleora, please. All your right hand up, please. Everybody. If you're liking the show, enjoying sitting there, right hand up. And your left hand up as well. Or a jord bodle. Let's put it all together and make some noise. This is Astra Group presenting one of the most finest events that we have every year, where a lot of talents, right from kids to the teenage talents, get a beautiful stage to showcase their talent. And right from here, what we proudly say is contestants from here become judges as well. So they're producing so many beautiful talents. So Sizzling Guys once again brings to you Astra Group Miss Teen Miss Karnataka. And we already are done with the Missy category. And Mangalore Dakulboka Karnataka Poper. And now we're heading towards the second round. But before that, I want all of you all to welcome Mr. Naushad Bhai here. A very big round of applause. A very well known in the field of events in Mangalore or in Dakshina Kannada, Shad's Music World, Shad's events. So somebody who brought all these big events to Mangalore is here with us. We welcome you and we request you to be seated. Now with your permission, can we go to the next round? This is not the energy. Energy on down and down. Uncle here on jod energy badod. A table each jana kuldar purella tinondullar. Enkul matra nikul tinpunantu ondullar. So ancha tindonchur energy bird. Can we have a big round of applause, please, to all the contestants coming on stage for the next round? Okay. Now, before that, I request Shubhakiran Mani to come on stage. To Mr. Naushad Bhai, a very, very warm welcome on behalf of everybody who's present here. All right, so let's get set for the next one. Now, this is the Snowman round that you're seeing. Astra Group has another venture that is Snowman. Mangalore is the ice cream capital of India, and one more brand of Mangalore that is making very big waves in the field of ice cream is Snowman. So, the next round is going to be the most entertaining round. You have some dance here as well. So, let's welcome all the contestants coming back on stage. Put your hands together for Teen Mangalore contestants and the Miss Mangalore contestants walking the ramp with beautiful dance moves. This is the Snowman round.
ती बोलली बाळा तू कुठे चालला जा तू तर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला you don't even love me कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो क्षण माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर I like your beauty I like your fashion तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे Okay, 1, 2, 3 start. The already start. Killing by eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the passion. To viral sensation. Representing nation. पण नखरे हजार. किती साधी simple तरी दिसते stylish. तुझ्या समोर फीकी baby बिल्ली. Stylish तुझं diamond तुझ्यासाठी काय पण तुझे नखरे हाय पण I like it. तुझं nose pin, earring, eyelashes bling bling. Highlight of blush आणि lipstick pink pink. ए माझी girl, ए जाने जिगर, ए चमक hello मी तुझा king. जादू मंतर हा मंतर तुझा स्वॅग ओजी हाय तुझी कंबर एक नंबर तुला 100 पैकी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे एक झप्पी पाहिजे म्हणे ना पप्पी पाहिजे म्हणे ना तू भारी दिसते म्हणे या किती नखरे करते ना सगळ्यांची हात घेती लय भारी नटलेली लाखांचं सोनं आणि चांदीनं ती थटलेली वो एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल बेबी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल माझी छान बेबी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते Okay, 1, 2, 3 start. The already start. Killing by eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the passion. To viral sensation. Representing nation. पण नखरे हजार. किती साधी simple तरी दिसते stylish. तुझ्या समोर फीकी baby बिल्ली. Stylish
तेरी नजर लग न जाए देखो न मुझको यूं है जादू तुम्हारी नजर का बेचैनी कितने बढ़ाए हाय तो ना होने लगी मैं सो पर थोड़ी है ओवर तेरा हुआ दिल मा I go tetema oh mama tetema kipa tetema oh mama tetema aya twende tetema oh mama tetema shuka chini tetema oh mama tetema aya twende tetema oh mama tetema kipa tetema oh mama tetema aya twende tetema oh mama tetema shuka chini tetema oh mama tetema you got me feeling you know I see how they look up and down I like it when you spin me around only you can get me this wild edgy, show me that you're bad now. Body, baby, I got enough for ya. You know you're gonna love it when we out. You got me going, got me throwing, baby, yeah.
Ay, mam, shigidi, nakuf, hoy, wigidi. Ay, mam, shigidi, fire, moto.
Hi, mama tetema, oh mama tetema. Gimme tetema, oh mama tetema. Show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema. Sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema. Hi, mama tetema, oh mama tetema. Gimme tetema, oh mama tetema. Show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema. Sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema. oh mama tetema, sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema, hi mama tetema, oh mama tetema, gimme tetema, oh mama tetema, show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema, sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema, hi tetema, oh mama tetema, tipo tetema, oh mama tetema, hi tetema, oh mama tetema, sugar chini tetema, oh mama tetema, hi tetema, oh mama tetema, tipo tetema, oh mama tetema, hi tetema, oh mama tetema, sugar chini tetema, oh mama tetema. होने लगी मैं sober, थोड़ी थोड़ी head over, तेरा हुआ दिल मा, I go tetema, oh mama tetema, oh mama tetema,
Kipa tetema,
oh mama tetema,
aya twende tetema,
oh mama tetema,
shuka chini tetema,
oh mama tetema,
aya twende tetema,
oh mama tetema,
kipa tetema,
oh mama tetema,
aya twende tetema,
oh mama tetema,
shuka chini tetema, oh mama tetema.
you got me feeling, you know, I see how they look up and down, I like
All right,
how
everybody,
you
that's the
see me
snowman
now.
on stage. Let's
Only you
welcome
make me this wild,
one of our sponsors,
I
Snowman, for the
show me
round.
that you're bad now. Body, baby, I got enough for ya. You know, you're gonna love it when we You got me going, got me throwing, baby, yeah.
Ay, mam, shigidi, nakuf, hoy, wigidi, ay, mam, shigidi, fire, moto.
Hi, mama tetema, oh mama tetema, gimme tetema, oh mama tetema, show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema, sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema, hi mama tetema, oh mama tetema, gimme tetema, oh mama tetema, show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema, sugar honey tetema, oh mama tetema. जरा जरा हुई है रूह प्यासी, तो थोड़ी थोड़ी होने पे बदमाशी, तो गिरनी दे बिजलियां, हाँ बिजलियां.
All right, everybody, let's hear it for the snowman on stage.
ना है move, baby we're the best, me and you. बन जाए रो से रो, मैं क्या ना कर दूं. भी होने लगी बदमाशी, थोड़ी थोड़ी है over, जो तेरा हुआ धुआं. I got tetema, oh mama tetema, oh mama tetema, gimme tetema, oh mama tetema, show me like a cinema, oh mama tetema, sugar honey tetema.
Well, I think this round deserves even more bigger round of applause. Can we have it for all the contestants on stage? What an entertaining round. And of course, thank you to our snowman who's here. This is called the Snowman Round. Astra Group, as you all know, is our proud sponsors. And Snowman is one of such brand which is bringing a lot of pride to Mangalore as well. Thank you, girls, for joining us on stage. Want to create something great in Mangalore? Let's welcome on stage Sizzling Guys Dance Studio with one more amazing dance performance. Talia Zordar Honi Chahiye. Let's welcome the masters of dance led by Shubhakiran Mani and the whole team. Sizzling Guys Dance Studio on stage.
Daddy. Zion y Lennox. You know how we do, man. Let's do this. Come on. Daddy, daddy.
Ella hace todo por seducirme y yo voy haciendo lo que ella me pide y yo voy porque fue la que siempre quise y yo voy si estoy con ella no es un crimen y yo voy ella hace todo por seducirme y yo voy
कमरिया हाथ में डाले हाथ बजेंगे सारी रात आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सांवरिया बाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया जब देखूं बना दी लाल पीली अखियां जब देखूं बना दी लाल पीली अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां
like this, make it knock, 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 knock like this.
आँखों में आँखें तेरी बाहों में बाहें तेरी मेरा न मुझ में कुछ रहा हुआ क्या बातों में बातें तेरी रातें सौगातें तेरी क्यों तेरा सब ये हो गया हुआ क्या मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ तुमसे ही मिल जाता हूँ तुमसे ही शोर में खामोशी है थोड़ी सी बेहोशी है तुमसे ही
I think she deserves a very big round of applause to all the dancers on stage. That's Disney Guys Dance Studio on stage for you.
Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it.
Italy the maid, fat cigars, pull up like a shade, chauffeured cars, tailor suits, like on the pair. I'm a motherfucking millionaire. Foreign the deals, motor dinars, I got dirty money, superpowers, Hyundai rare, Kardani care. I'm a motherfucking millionaire.
வைரமே ஒரு நாள் ஒன்ன தூக்குவனே ராசாத்திய ராத்திரி பார்த்தேன் ரவுடி பய ரொமான்டிக்கான ரகசியமா ரூட்ட போட்டு கடத்தணும் ஒன்ன வாய் மூடிய வாய பொழந்த வெறுங்காலில விண்வெளி போன வெறப்பா இருந்தாலும் வழிஞ்ச நிறுத்தணும் என்ன பிளாக் அண்ட் ஒயிட் கண்ணு ஒன்ன பார்த்தா கலரா மாறுது துருபுடிச்ச காதல் நரம்பெல்லாம் சுறுசுறுப்பாக சீருது அவ ஃபேஸ் அடடடடடடா அவ ஷேப்பு அப்பப்பப்பப்பப்பா மொத்தத்துல ஐயோ இழுக்குது என்ன தங்கமே ஒன்னத்தான் தேடி வந்த நானே
Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, oh feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Bangkok, Shishir on stage.
Love been making and a life for sharing. Come and feel me, oh feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me. Come on, heal me.
वैसे तो मन मेरा पहले भी रातों में अक्सर ही चाहत के हाँ
सपने संजोता था, पहले भी धड़कन ये धुन कोई गाती थी, पर अब जो होता है वो पहले न होता था।
I'm a lawyer, husband giving you royal treatment on your daily shopping is guaranteed.
You're my Lisa, mama, I'm your naughty mommy, giving you lifetime service warranty.
I'm a lawyer, husband giving you royal treatment on your daily shopping is guaranteed.
You're my Lisa, mama, I'm your naughty mommy, giving you lifetime service warranty.
Amma tinkle, come and tinkle, namma kaatila naan dhaan king.
Modern mama, aasa koodada, kanna kattada, give me ring.
Na sokkrandi vikkrandi ottayila nikkrandi.
Tikkava pattikava utte kotta aada ready.
Urugude, mayangude, tavikude, தடுக்குது.
பெண்ணானந்தா உருகுதே இந்த நாளை பார்த்து மயங்குதே இந்த பாவை தவிக்குதே எல்லை தாண்டி பார்க்க தடுக்குதே பெண்ணானந்தா.